Welcome everyone, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to easily factory reset your Nintendo Switch. So all of your data will be lost, just so you know. However, data on the SD card will not be lost. However, if you like to remove all data on the SD card, this tutorial also covers that. So you're going to find System Settings and just tap on it. Scroll down until you see System and scroll to the bottom and tap on Formatting Options. Now we have Clear Cache, we have Reset Keyboard, but the important two right here, Format SD card, which will remove all of your data on your SD card, and Restore Factory Settings will essentially factory reset your Nintendo Switch back to when you first bought it. So we'll tap on Restore, and we'll tap on Close, we'll tap on OK. Is it not gonna let me? Next. There we go, I guess we'll just have to do that. We'll just wait for it to connect to the internet. This is actually a joke. Alright, let's just connect to the internet. It sounds like so 2009. So we'll connect to this network. There we go. Yep, connected to the internet. That's pretty good. Right. Caution. Then we'll just tap on the red restore. And now it's going to restore your Nintendo Switch back onto factory settings. Now, just don't touch your Switch, don't dock it, just leave it as it is, and very soon it'll be back into factory settings. So I have this lovely closet, right? So I'm just gonna plumb it in here, and I'll just wait for it to be done. So I'll see you guys later, because it takes like 10 minutes. Bye-bye.